According to latest reports, the Swedish defense company SAAB has pitched for a complete transfer of technology and local production of its Gripen fighter jet to India. The chairman and managing director of SAAB India has said that India bought 36 Rafale fighter jets from France in 2015, while Brazil signed a contract with SAAB in 2015 for the procurement and local manufacturing of 36 Gripen fighter jets, and the cost of the Gripen deal was half the value of the Rafale deal, and Brazil is using the experience and knowledge gained from the local Gripen manufacturing to design its own indigenous fighter jet. He also said that Gripen has the same package as Rafale aircraft, including the 300 km range Meteor system, and Gripen will always be cheaper in comparison to Rafale in life cycle costs. He also added that he wouldn't be surprised if India went in for the purchase of additional 36 Rafale fighter jets, but these numbers will not be sufficient in view of the Indian Air Force's MMRCA requirements. According to latest reports, the Indian Air Force has decided against retiring 2 squadrons of MiG-21 Bison by the end of 2019, but will maintain a small fleet of upgraded MiG-21 till 2025, due to depletion of squadron strength after the retirement of the MiG-27. The outgoing Air Force Chief B.S. Dhanoa had approved the extension, while the last MiG-21 fighter jets will formally phase out in 2025, till Hindustan Aeronautics starts the delivery of 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. As China plans to operate 4 carrier battle groups by 2030, the Indian Navy is planning to discuss its long-pending case for a 3rd aircraft carrier with the Indian government. The Indian Navy has junked its plan for the carrier to have nuclear propulsion, to bring down the overall cost to about 45,000 crore rupees. The projected 45,000 crore rupees expenditure will be spread over 10 years, and the bulk of the money will be ploughed back into the country's economy. According to latest reports, the 3-base repair depot of the Indian Air Force has been given the responsibility of establishing repair and overhaul technology of VK-2500 engines of medium-lift helicopters, which will ensure the post-production maintenance support capability for the Mi-17 V5 helicopters, and will move forward towards the commitment of self-reliance under the Make in India mission. China has unveiled the DF-41 intercontinental range ballistic system at the National Day Parade, which has a range of 15,000 kilometers and is capable of carrying 10 independent projectiles. China's H-6N strategic aircraft and a high-altitude high-speed reconnaissance drone also made their debut appearance, while the supersonic CJ-100 cruise systems were also displayed by 16 vehicles.